Find the equation of the parabola. Axis line parallel to x-axis and passing through the 3 points given that problem. Axis line is parallel to x-axis. So take parabola equation x equal to ly square plus my plus n. We apply this formula only in this problem only. This formula apply only this problem. Given 3 points lies on the parabola. So substitute these 3 points in equation number 1. We get 3 equations in L, M, N. Observe these 3 equations. N, N, N. Subtract 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Suresh. All multiply out of part. 2 minus 3 gives plus n minus n cancel. We get a relation between L and M. Again, 3 minus 4. We get another relation between L and M. Solve 5 and 6. We get L value and also M value. Substitute L value, M value in equation number 1. Equation number 2. We get the value n is a minus 10. Substitute all these 3 values in equation number 1. We get the equation of the parabola. Next, write the another problem. Find the equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis and parallel to y-axis. Underline change. Axis is parallel to y-axis and passing through the points. 2, 5, 1, 4, minus 1, 8, minus 1, 2, 5, 1, 4, minus 1, 8. Listen, in this problem, given axis line is parallel to y-axis. So this equation becomes 2. Y equal to interchange x and y letters. Y equal to L x square plus m x plus n equal to 0. Next same procedure. Write down the notes. Given points, given points on the parabola are capital A 2, 5, capital B 1, 4, capital C -1, 8. Given axis line parallel to y axis, therefore equation of the parabola is y equal to lx square plus mx plus n. Equation number 1. Given capital A, capital B and capital C lies on the parabola, therefore substitute the first point, y value 5, L into 2 square, m into 2 plus n. We get 4L plus 2m plus n equal to 5. This is equation number 2. Substitute the second point, y value 4, L into x square, that is 1 square, m into 1 plus n, L plus m plus n equal to 4. Equation number 3. Substitute the third point, y value minus 8, L into -1 whole square, m into -1 plus n, that implies plus L minus m plus n, L minus m plus n equal to -8. Equation number 4. Eliminate the n values. 2 minus 3 gives 4L plus 2m plus n minus third equation minus L minus m minus n equal to 5 minus 4. N cancel. 3L plus m equal to 1. This implies 3L plus m minus 1 equal to 0. That is equation number 5. Third equation minus fourth equation, L plus m plus n minus fourth equation minus L plus m minus n 4 minus of minus h plus L minus L cancel plus N minus N cancel M plus M 2M equal to minus of s plus 4 plus 8 equal to 12 2 table 6 times cancel M equal to 6. Substitute M value in equation number 5. We get the L equation, L value. Write down. Substitute M equal to 6. M equal to 6. In the fifth equation, 3L M value 6 minus 1 equal to 0. 3L equal to, this is plus 5 becomes to minus 5. This implies L equal to minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. Next, substitute the values of M and N, L and M in the third equation. Take any one of these three. L plus M plus N equal to 4. L value minus 5 by 3. M value 6 plus N equal to 4. N equal to 4 plus 5 by 3 minus 6. N equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 5 by 3. 3 LCM minus 6 plus 5. Therefore, N equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Next, substitute the values of L, M and N in the first equation. Therefore, equation of the required parabola is y equal to L value minus 5 by 3 x square, M value 6 plus 6 x, N value minus 1 by 3, y equal to 3 LCM minus 5x square plus 18x minus 1 by cross multiplication 3y equal to minus 5x square plus 18x minus 1, 5x square minus 18x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Listen again. Find the equation of the parabola. Axis line is parallel to y-axis. That is important point. Parallel to the y-axis. So, equation of the parabola y equal to lx square plus mx plus n. Given the 3 points lies on the parabola. So, substitute these 3 points in the first equation. We get 3 relations between L, M, N. First eliminate N letter. 2 minus 3 gives 3L plus M equal to 1. Plus 1 becomes 2 minus 1 equal to 0. 3 minus 4 gives LL cancel, NN cancel, M plus M equal to 2M equal to minus or minus plus 12. 2 tables 6 times cancel. M equal to 6. Next, substitute this M value in the fifth equation. 3L, where M value 6 minus 1 equal to 0. 3L value minus 5. L value minus 5 by 3. Substitute L and M values in 2 or 3 or 4. We choose this equation number 3. L plus M plus N equal to 4. L value minus 5 by 3. M value 6 plus N equal to 4. So by calculation we get N value is minus 1 by 3. Substitute L, M, N values in equation number 1. We get the final answer. ఈరోజు చెప్పిన లెసన్ మొత్తం కూడా రికార్డ్ చేసాము. అది యూట్యూబ్లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాం. కాబట్టి ఎవరికైనా ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి దాంట్లో కూడా చూసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. ఓకేనా?